Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing some information about how to download Python, the latest version of Python software. What you need to do is just go to python.org website and click on downloads option. Once you click on the download option, it shows you the latest version for either Windows or Mac, whatever operating system you're using. Currently the version that is available is 3.12.4. That's the latest version that Python is currently available. So I'm going to click on download. Once you click on download, it pops up a window stating that where do you want to save the download the file. It's an exe file, so you can just download it. Once it's downloaded, okay, you will have to go to the window where it is downloaded. I'm gonna go to the download option and then click on the download exe file. Once you click on the download exe file, it basically shows you this option. It says install now, and then I would highly recommend you guys to add python.exe to path. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you should be able to have the latest version in your system. So in this case I'm just downloading the file, making sure that the path is checked in on the environment variable. Okay, so once it's downloaded, it basically says the setup was successful. New to Python, you can start a new tutorial, online tutorial to understand .py files. This also has the option of disable pathline limit, like changes your machine configuration to allow programs including Python to bypass the 260 character max path limitation. I would say disable it, like that's always a good option. And then close it. Okay. Once the Python is installed in your system, just go to the command prompt like this. So once you are in a command prompt, so open up the command prompt and then type in Python double dash version. It should show that the latest version is installed in your system. You can also use dash v to figure out what the Python version is. Now